welcome to vlog number 2. So today I am heading to Badu in Madhyam Gram and let's start it. The journey will start from here. So we are on our midway and we just came to our meeting point. So with me is Evanjan and we have reached the venue. So those are my teammates. We have reached the venue and let's explore. So this is how the entrance looks. Far away from the city life, you can see here the lush green garden all around, small garden. People are playing cricket there and you can roam around, you can enjoy. And there is the kitchen and next we are going to check what's cooking. So stay tuned. So it is surrounded by garden and you see trees all over around. Seeing the scenic beauty, the nature is really enjoyable. It is quite calm and soothing place to enjoy your weekend. Quite a wonderful day we had. So we are now leaving and we'll go outside and catch the cab. That's it. Thank you.